Hello and welcome to the English Confidence Club. I'm Sam, and today I'm going to share something very personal with you, my own English learning journey. 5 months ago, I was exactly where you might be right now, struggling, confused, and thinking that fluent English was an impossible dream. But today, I'm going to show you exactly how I transformed from a complete beginner to a confident English speaker in just 5 months. This is my real story, and I hope it inspires you to start your own journey. Month 1, the foundation month. Let me take you back to where it all began. I remember sitting in a cafe, hearing people speak fluent English and feeling so embarrassed because I couldn't even order a coffee properly. That day, I made a decision. Enough is enough. I started with just 15 minutes every day. Not hours, just 15 minutes. I focused on three things: basic greetings, common phrases, and simple sentences. Hello, how are you? Thank you very much. Can you help me, please? That's it. No complex grammar, no advanced vocabulary, just the basics, repeated every single day. Month 2, the listening revolution. In the second month, I discovered the power of listening. I started watching English videos with subtitles, first with Hindi subtitles, then with English subtitles. I listened to English songs and tried to understand the lyrics. I even changed my phone's language to English. At first, I understood only 20% of what I heard, but slowly my ears started recognizing sounds, patterns, and common words. This was the month when English stopped sounding like noise and started making sense. Month 3, the speaking breakthrough. This was the most challenging but most rewarding month. I started speaking to myself in English. Yes, you heard that right. I would describe what I was doing. I am drinking water. I am going to the market. This food tastes good. I also started recording my voice and listening to it. It felt awkward at first, but within 2 weeks, I noticed my sentences were becoming longer and more natural. I made many mistakes, but each mistake taught me something new. Month 4, the confidence builder. By the fourth month, I was ready to take bigger steps. I started joining online English conversation groups. The first time I spoke in a group, my hands were shaking and my voice was trembling. But you know what? Everyone was supportive and helpful. I also started thinking in English. Instead of thinking in Hindi and then translating, I forced my brain to think directly in English. This was the game changer that made me speak faster and more naturally. Month 5, the Fluency Accelerator. In the final month, I immersed myself completely in English. I watched English movies without subtitles, read English news articles, and had conversations with native speakers. I wasn't perfect, but I could express my thoughts clearly. I could share my opinions, tell stories, and even joke in English. The fear was gone, replaced by excitement and confidence. Now, let me share the exact framework that helped me achieve this transformation. The 5-month English blueprint. 1. Consistency over intensity. 15 to 30 minutes daily is better than 5 hours once a week. 2. Embrace mistakes. Every mistake is a stepping stone to improvement. 3. Practice speaking daily, even if it's just talking to yourself. 4. Immerse yourself. Make English part of your daily life. 5. Celebrate small wins. Every new word learned, every sentence spoken. Celebrate it. I want you to know something very important. There's nothing special about me. I don't have any special talent for languages. I was not born in an English-speaking country. What I had was determination and a clear plan. And if I can do it, I promise you, you can do it too. Your journey might be different from mine. It might take you 4 months or 6 months. That's completely fine. What matters is that you start today. Take that first step, speak that first sentence, make that first mistake. You have the power to transform your English. You have the ability to become the confident English speaker you've always wanted to be. I believe in you, even if you don't believe in yourself yet. This is Sam from the English Confidence Club, signing off with this message. Your English success story is waiting to be written. Start writing it today.